I'll simply read it out. Number one, today's House observes 1 minute condolence on the untimely demise of Jubin Garg, legendary singer of Assam, and for all the martyrs of Bodoland movement. Number two, BPF to pay homage to Bodopa Upendranath Brahma at Dotoma, as well as BTC Secretariat prior to swearing in ceremony. Number three, Bodoland People's Front expresses sincere thanks and gratitude to all the public of BTC, individuals, social and religious organizations, to all the central, district, block, primary level leaders, and the workers of parents, women, youth, BSU, all the community cell committees, both committees, for extending their overwhelming support to us in the BTC election 25. Number four, all the newly elected MCLAs of BPF unanimously selects Srijut Hagrama Mohilari Sir as the leader of BPF Legislature Party BTC, proposed by Derhasad Basumutri and supported by the rest of MCLAs. Number five, all the newly elected MCLAs of BPF unanimously selects Sri Rihan Deimari as the deputy leader of BPF Legislature Party BTC, proposed by Tridip Deimari and supported by the rest MCLAs. Next, all the newly elected MCLAs of BPF unanimously selects Sri Derhasad Basumutri as the chief whip of BPF Legislature Party BTC, proposed by Srijut Hagrama Mohilari Sir and supported by the rest of MCLAs. Next, all the newly elected MCLAs of BPF unanimously selects Sri Maheshwar Basumutari as the Secretary of BPF Legislature Party BTC, proposed by Sri James Basumutri and supported by the rest of MCLAs. Next, BPF Legislature Party BTCLA to meet Honorable Governor of Assam on 28 September 2025 to stake claim to form BTC government and to invite him to grace the swearing-in ceremony as the chief guest to be held on 3rd October 2025 at Kokrajhar. BPF to meet Honorable Chief Minister Assam on 28 September 2025, that is tomorrow, and invite him to grace the swearing-in ceremony as special guest to be held on 3rd October 2025 at Kokrajhar. BPF to invite all the council heads of Assam, heads of all the political parties of Assam, social and religious organizations, and also Srijut Pradut Bikram Manikya Debarma, the Honorable King of Tripura, to grace the swearing-in ceremony as the guest of honor to be held on 3rd October 2025 at Kokrajhar. All the major and serious issues of BTC government will be discussed in PMB meeting before implementation. এখিনি আসলে আমার resolution.